When it's time to drink beer, that's when it's time to get beer.
All day to get this food. You could at least be grateful.
Oh, I'm grateful you got food. It's just...
Are my nuts and berries not good enough for you?
Oh, no. I like nuts and berries. I just... I just don't like the form that they come in, that's all.
You don't like my cooking?
I don't really think that's cooking. I don't like puke.
It's called regurgitation.
It's puke.
Well, then what do you want from me?
Well, maybe you could just bring the nuts and berries whole.
Look at these hands. I can't hold anything in them and still like a... How would I land?
Well, maybe you could just, like, drop them in my mouth or something. Oh, God, you're the worst mom ever!
You're an ungrateful twit.
Well, you know what? I don't need you anymore. I'm leaving.
Are you sure? I don't think you can fly yet.
What? Yeah.
You promise no more uppity behavior?
I promise.
All right, baby, I'll hook you up.
If I only had one wish, it would be to get a